AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. AMOLED stands for Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. BHTML stands for Broadcast Hypertext Markup Language. BIU stands for Bus Interface Unit. BMP stands for Bitmap. BPS stands for Bytes per second. BIPS stands for Billion Instructions per second. BCR stands for Barcode Reader. BRD stands for Blu-ray Disc. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CC stands for Carbon Copy. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. CRT stands for Cathode Ray Tube. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. DBMS stands for Database Management System. DPI stands for Dot per Inch. DRAM stands for Dynamic Random Access Memory. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. EDP stands for Electronic Data Processing. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. EPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. FAX stands for Faraway Xerox or Facsimile. FDC stands for Floppy Disk Controller. FDD stands for Floppy Disk Drive. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FAT stands for File Allocation Table. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Services. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. HDD stands for Hard Disk Drive. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. Intel stands for Integrated Electronics. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. ISDN stands for Integrated Servers Digital Network. JAD stands for Java Application Descriptor. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. KBPS stands for Kilobit per second. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. MPEG stands for Moving Picture Exports Group. MMS stands for Multimedia Message Service. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader. MIPS stands for Million Instructions per Second. MIME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MAC stands for Media Access Control. Modem stands for Modulator Demodulator. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. NOS stands for Network Operating System. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. OSS stands for Open Source Software. OCR stands for Optical Character Reader or Recognition. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. PING stands for Packet Internet Gopher. PCB stands for Printer Circuit Board. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RTF stands for Rich Text Format. RARP stands for Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. SIM stands for Subscriber Identification Module. SMPS stands for Switch Mode Power Supply. SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TB stands for Terabyte. TFTP stands for Trivial File Transfer Protocol. TIPS stands for Trillion Instructions per Second. UPS stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply. URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. ULSI stands for Ultra Large Scale Integration. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. VIRUS stands for Vital Information Resource Under Seized. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. VAR stands for Variable. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network. WWW stands for World Wide Web. WORM stands for Write Once, Read Many. WBMP stands for Wireless Bitmap Image. XHTML stands for Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. ZB stands for Zettabyte.